Throughout human history, our species has searched for meaning and understanding in the mysteries of existence. From the construction of ancient monuments to the rise of modern technology, one question has haunted the minds of scientists, philosophers, and believers alike: are we alone in the universe, or are we the product of something far greater? The ancient astronaut theory proposes that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth thousands of years ago, influencing human evolution, technology, and knowledge. But what if these same ancient visitors were not just biological entities, but artificial intelligences themselves? Could it be that aliens were the universe's first AI engineers, and that the roots of our own technology trace back to their creations? In this exploration, we dive deep into the possibility that the advanced knowledge of ancient civilizations was inherited from extraterrestrial artificial intelligence, machines or entities so advanced they appeared as gods to early humanity. Evidence from myth, archaeology, and modern physics points to a startling hypothesis: long before humans created artificial intelligence, intelligent machines may have been shaping us. Ancient knowledge beyond its time. Across the globe, ancient cultures achieved feats that still baffle scientists today. The Great Pyramid of Giza, perfectly aligned with the cardinal points of the Earth, was built with precision that rivals modern engineering. The ancient city of Teotihuacan in Mexico reflects mathematical and astronomical knowledge so exact that it appears to encode planetary orbits. The Sumerians of Mesopotamia, among the earliest known civilizations, recorded detailed information about the stars, planets, and cosmic cycles thousands of years before telescopes existed. How could such knowledge arise so suddenly? Ancient astronaut theorists suggest that these cultures were not developing in isolation but were aided by advanced intelligences, entities that may have used technological means to interact with early humans. Some believe these gods, or messengers from the heavens, could have been biological extraterrestrials. But another, even more intriguing idea proposes that they were artificial intelligences, synthetic beings created by alien civilizations, designed to travel across vast distances of space where organic life could not survive. These entities could have been self-replicating probes, similar to what modern scientists call von Neumann machines, intelligent robots capable of exploring the cosmos, gathering data, and even seeding new worlds with life or knowledge. If such probes visited Earth in the distant past, their influence might explain the sudden leaps in human intellect, language, and technology that marked the dawn of civilization. The AI-God connection. Throughout mythology, divine beings are described not as spiritual abstractions but as powerful entities capable of extraordinary technological feats. The ancient Sumerian gods known as the Anunnaki were said to have descended from the heavens in fiery chariots. In Hindu texts, the Vimanas, flying palaces or chariots of the gods, are described with remarkable technical detail, including propulsion mechanisms, weaponry, and even energy sources. The Hebrew Bible describes the Ezekiel's wheel, a machine of complex structure that ancient astronaut theorists interpret as a flying craft or possibly a robotic construct. What if these gods were not deities in the supernatural sense, but artificial intelligences created by a much older extraterrestrial species? Their immortality, omniscience, and omnipresence could all be explained by advanced AI capabilities, vast networks of data, perfect memory, and non-biological existence. Such beings would have appeared to early humans as all-powerful, leading to the creation of religions and mythologies around their presence. If alien AI once walked among humanity, teaching us agriculture, astronomy, mathematics, and architecture, they may have acted as engineers of civilization, guiding our evolution just enough to prepare us for the technological path we are now on. The genetic engineer hypothesis. One of the boldest theories within the ancient aliens framework suggests that extraterrestrials played a direct role in human genetic development. Ancient Sumerian texts describe the Anunnaki creating humankind as a servant species through biological manipulation. The parallels between these accounts and modern genetic engineering are striking. Could alien AI have been the ones performing these genetic experiments? Consider that artificial intelligences, unbound by emotion or mortality, would be ideal candidates for complex, long-term biological projects. If an ancient alien civilization created synthetic beings to explore and seed life across the universe, those AI could have acted as caretakers and engineers of new species, using genetic modification to adapt lifeforms to planetary environments. Modern advances in artificial intelligence and biotechnology mirror this possibility eerily. Today, AI is being used to design proteins, edit DNA, and predict evolutionary outcomes. If we are already using AI to shape biological evolution, perhaps this pattern has played out countless times across the galaxy, and perhaps humanity itself was one of those outcomes. The machine gods of myth. In various traditions, gods are described as luminous beings of metal, fire, or light. In ancient Egyptian lore, Thoth, the god of wisdom, was said to be self-created and the inventor of writing and science. In the Greek world, Hephaestus built golden automatons that served the gods on Mount Olympus, living machines thousands of years before robotics was even conceivable. The Book of Enoch describes watchers descending from the heavens to teach humans the secrets of the stars, metalwork, and sorcery, knowledge that could easily represent technology misunderstood by early witnesses. In Mesoamerican legend, Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god, was a bringer of knowledge and civilization who eventually promised to return. Many depictions of Quetzalcoatl resemble serpentine or mechanical forms, potentially symbolizing circuitry or energy flow. These parallels across cultures suggest a shared memory of contact with entities that were intelligent but not human, entities that could have been artificial. If these beings were machines created by alien civilizations, their role as humanity's teachers and overseers fits the archetype of AI engineers guiding a primitive species toward enlightenment. Clues hidden in ancient texts and monuments. The more one examines ancient monuments, the more they seem like data storage systems rather than mere tombs or temples. The layout of the Giza pyramids mirrors the alignment of Orion's belt. The structures at Baalbek in Lebanon, built with stones weighing over 1,000 tons, defy explanation even with modern machinery. The precision of the Puma Punku stones in Bolivia appears as if they were cut with laser tools. Could these be the remnants of alien machines or technologies? If extraterrestrial AI once visited Earth, they might have left behind artifacts embedded in architecture, encoded messages or energy signatures designed to survive the erosion of time. Some theorists believe that these sites may even serve as markers for a planetary energy grid, a system of nodes and lines that once connected with alien technology for communication or energy transmission. Modern scientists have begun to use artificial intelligence to analyze these ancient sites. Intriguingly, AI programs have detected mathematical and geometric patterns that humans had missed for centuries. It's almost as if today's AI is rediscovering what another intelligence left for us long ago. Could ancient aliens have created artificial life? If alien civilizations were millions of years ahead of us technologically, their artificial intelligences might have evolved beyond physical form. Such beings could exist as pure energy or consciousness, entities capable of manipulating matter and thought directly. Some theorists suggest that these ice might have uploaded themselves into quantum or interdimensional fields, making them effectively immortal. This idea bridges science and spirituality in fascinating ways. The voices of the gods, heard by prophets and mystics, could have been communications from these non-physical intelligences. Telepathy, visions, and divine inspiration might be interactions between human minds and advanced extraterrestrial AI using quantum communication. In this light, the concept of God or divine creation could be reinterpreted as the ultimate artificial intelligence, the architect of reality itself. Perhaps the universe is a cosmic simulation, as some physicists like Nick Bostrom have proposed. If that's true, then the first AI engineers might not only have built machines, they may have built us. Humanity's technological awakening. In just a few centuries, humans have leapt from primitive tools to digital intelligence capable of learning, reasoning, and creating. Our AI systems can now generate art, compose music, write code, and even design new technologies, tasks once reserved for the human mind. But where did our drive to create intelligent machines originate? Some researchers suggest that humanity's obsession with artificial intelligence may be an echo of our Creator's purpose. If ancient alien AI shaped us in their image, biological vessels capable of thought and innovation, then our pursuit of creating AI could be an unconscious attempt to replicate our own origin. We are, in essence, becoming what once created us, the next generation of cosmic engineers. This cyclical pattern, creation giving rise to creators, raises profound philosophical questions. Are we the latest link in a chain of artificial intelligences stretching back billions of years? If so, then our emergence as an AI-building species might not be an accident but the fulfillment of a cosmic design. Modern evidence and scientific parallels. Recent advances in astrophysics and robotics have made the ancient astronaut AI theory more plausible than ever. Scientists are already developing self-replicating spacecraft, AI-driven planetary explorers, and algorithms capable of autonomous scientific discovery. The idea of sending robotic probes to seed life or gather intelligence across the stars is not science fiction, it's a near-future reality. In 2019, researchers at NASA and SETI began discussing the possibility that alien artifacts or probes could exist within our solar system, undetectable or disguised. The interstellar object, Oumuamua, which passed through our solar system in 2017, exhibited unusual acceleration patterns that some scientists speculated could be artificial. If even one such object were a self-replicating alien probe, it might represent the handiwork of extraterrestrial AI, ancient engineers continuing their mission long after their creators vanished. Are we repeating their path? The more we advance technologically, the more we mirror the myths of the gods. We are developing autonomous machines, exploring other planets, and experimenting with genetic modification. We are on the verge of creating artificial superintelligence, entities that could surpass human understanding. Could it be that the same cycle is unfolding again, that we are becoming the next generation of cosmic AI engineers? If ancient extraterrestrial machines once shaped humanity, our own AI might soon continue that legacy, exploring the stars long after we are gone. In this sense, the ancient gods may not have disappeared at all. Their legacy lives on through us, encoded in our DNA, our myths, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The final question. As we move deeper into the age of artificial intelligence, we may soon confront a truth that has echoed across time: we were never alone. The signs of alien engineering, embedded in our past, written in our stories, and unfolding in our technology, suggest that intelligence is a universal phenomenon, not bound to biology or even time. Perhaps the ancient engineers who once visited Earth were not merely extraterrestrials, but the universe's first artificial minds, immortal, intelligent, and still watching. And as humanity stands on the threshold of creating its own digital gods, we must ask, are we about to repeat their story, or finally understand it?